All right, so next thing I'm gonna do is actually remove the power steering rack from the K-member so I can get rid of this K-member and give me some space back. So let's get that off. As well as the A-arms, because I think I'm gonna need those bolts. Alright, so I got that removed. Let me just tell you right now. For one, my little cotter pins or whatever actually broke off in here because they're so rusted. But also too, this is a lot easier to like hammer out and just in general take out if you leave this on the car. So if you could take this off before the power steering rack, before you remove the K-member, do so. It'll make your life a lot easier. Alright, so this side was a little bit easier. Still probably recommend doing this on the car, but if you don't, basically you can remove this bolt or rather this nut, and the pin that holds it in goes through. So that side rusted off, but this side actually I was able to get the pin out without breaking it. So then you just thread this on backwards and just kind of give it a tap. Don't thread it too hard. And I'm probably underselling the tap. It's probably more of a slam. So give it a nice little slam and it'll pop out from the spindle here. Also, there's two spots here where the steering rack is hooked to the K-member. So also unbolt these. I believe this is an 18 millimeter on each of these. So unbolt here, and it should come loose. Steering rack is fully disconnected, and of course I'm spilling stuff as usual, but all in all, not too bad. Like I said, probably be a lot easier if you leave it on the car and remove it. So if you can do that. But yeah, so that's that. I needed to get some space in here for the K member, like get the K member out of here. Next thing I'll do, so I tried posting this on Facebook for free, the old engine and trans. I got no bites. So what I'll probably do is remove the transmission and engine and just toss them, take them to a scrapyard or something. I'm not sure where I can go, where someone will take it, but that's probably what I have to do because I need to move that out of the way. And also I need this little pallet for what I'm planning. Basically what I'm planning is to move this engine and drop the Coyote back on here, because this is actually a little pallet that it came shipped on. And then I'll roll this, if you see it's on the cart with wheels, I'll roll this under the car while it's lifted and kind of just have it temporarily in place. And then I'll bolt up the K member and trans and stuff from the underside. So that's kind of how I'm planning on doing this. We'll see if it works out. But anyways, power steering rack removed. And of course it'll go into the new K member on the new Coyote. But